Imagine having a full-body workout in VR. Sounds dreamy, right? Not anymore with this gadget. Or what about this cool-looking gadget? Can you guess what it is? That's not all. In today's video, we will be showing you some mind-blowing gadgets on Amazon. All the links to the products are in the description below. Icaros full-body workout machine with VR. Icaros full-body workout machine merges the power of virtual reality gaming with your everyday fitness device. This innovative device helps you train your muscles in a more enjoyable way. In fact, the experience is beyond imagination. Additionally, you can control and determine your flight path based on your abilities. NASA AR Notebook and Space Mug Virtual Space Set. The NASA AR Notebook and Space Mug Virtual Space Set is ideal for space lovers. This collection lets you see the cosmos from your smartphone via the Astro Reality Explorer companion app. To witness mind-blowing scenery, scan the QR code in the notebook and point your smartphone camera at the front cover. Wait a few seconds. Then, your phone will reveal our solar system right before your eyes. Scan parts of the book that you want to discover more about. Also, you'll get the chance to learn. Braven 2200M Portable Speaker. Are you still compromising your audio for portability? It's time to upgrade to the Braven 2200M Portable Speaker, as it's expertly crafted to deliver rich sound while remaining compact enough to take everywhere. Coming in a sleek, all-white design, the Braven 2200M speaker features a low-frequency resonator as well as an extended range driver to produce deep bass without any distortion. BigBoi Blowr Mini Miniature Air Blower. If you're looking for an effective car dryer, look no further than the BigBoi Blowr Mini Miniature Air Blower. This compact device is perfect for drying your car, blowing bits of dust off the hood, and cleaning your wheels. It comes with a 3.5-meter hose and 3 separate nozzle types with which to clean. It also has 3 temperature settings, 15 degrees Celsius, and 45 degrees Celsius. This allows you to adjust depending on the sensitivity of the material you're trying to clean. On top of this, with its low noise reduction twin filter system, the miniature blower stays relatively quiet while in use. Vortecon Kinetic Desk Toy creates an optical illusion. Regain your focus and productivity when you're at work with the Vortecon Kinetic Desk Toy. This small gadget creates a mesmerizing optical illusion that'll leave you feeling calmer and more focused before you return swiftly to work, and it also makes a fun office accessory for brainstorming sessions. Simply rotate it and it'll create a mind-bending effect of a continuously flowing helix. This is great for moments when you want to take your eyes away from the screen without leaving your desk. And it spins silently, so it won't disturb coworkers. Hyperdrive 6-in-1 USB-C Media Hub. Transform your USB-C iPad Pro, Mini, or Air into a workstation with the Hyperdrive 6-in-1 USB-C Media Hub for iPad. This Apple accessory provides 6 additional ports. The 4K 60Hz HDMI connection port allows you to display content more clearly than ever. And the USB-C 5 Gbps 60-watt power delivery port, USB-A 5 Gbps, micro SD/SD slots, and more help you get serious work done. Also, with the media shortcut keys, you can manage your media without slowing down your workflow. Easily pause, play, forward, and rewind with the help of these buttons. FOREO BEAR Facial Fitness Devices. It's time to work out your facial muscles with the FOREO BEAR Facial Fitness Devices. Available in 2 models, Bear and Bear Mini, these facial fitness devices use electrifying microcurrent technology for tighter, brighter skin and an energizing facial. Both models also use the brand's T-Sonic pulses to increase circulation, eliminate toxins, and ease facial tension. This action helps to create softer, glowing skin that looks younger. Additionally, FOREO BEAR is safe using the brand's anti-shock system and sensors that measure your skin's resistance to electricity. ikiPele Compact Sustainable Burner. Simple outdoor cooking will be easier and hassle-free with the ikiPele Compact Sustainable Burner. This burner can offer you a cozy and comfortable fireplace anywhere on the go. The word ikiPele means small volcano in Hawaiian, and that's exactly what this burner is all about. It uses CO2 natural wood pellets and is also an ideal camping must-have for the winters. You can also use it on your garden or balcony whenever there's a gathering coming up. The burner can even be used for simple cooking, like making tea or coffee or keeping your food hot. SpoonTEK Taste Elevating Spoon. Heightening your taste, the SpoonTEK Taste Elevating Spoon changes the way you experience food. In fact, this utensil excites your taste buds and improves aftertaste too. And it works using your body along with two electrodes, one of which is on the bottom of the handle and the other is on the spoon's bowl. So, when you hold this taste elevating spoon and put food in its bowl, a mild electric current runs through the SpoonTEK. Lifx Clean Antibacterial Smart Bulb. Eliminate bacteria and decontaminate your home the easy way with the Lifx Clean Antibacterial Smart Bulb. It emits high-energy violet light, which is safe for people, pets, and plants to kill some germs and bacteria. This includes killing pathogens such as E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. It activates only when it's switched on. So, the rest of the time, you can use it as a regular light in a shade of white or other colors. Cooler Master KFConsole Bucket-Shaped Gaming PC. The Cooler Master KFConsole Bucket-Shaped Gaming PC is an innovative gaming gadget that also warms chicken. Its design strongly resembles a grease tray and a chamber that heats up around the small wings using natural heat and airflow. But it's also a gaming PC equipped with high-quality components. In particular, it's housed in a custom Cooler Master NC100 chassis, and an Intel NUC 9 Extreme Compute element sits at the heart of the device. Furthermore, you'll never miss a gaming shot with this bucket-shaped gaming PC. OpenBiotics x Konami Venom Hero Biotic Arm. The OpenBiotics x Konami Venom Hero Bionic Arm provides mobility for below-elbow amputees and can change people's lives. It works for adults and children who have upper limb amputation, and even 8-year-olds can wear it. The biotic arm design is based on Venom Snake, the protagonist of Metal Gear Solid 5, The Phantom Pain, because the character wears an iconic red and black version. Although the fictional character's arm comes with weapons attached, the hero arm doesn't. Additionally, if you'd prefer to experiment with different designs, you can. Bugatti and TIDAL Audio Royale Speaker Range. The Bugatti and TIDAL Audio Royale Speaker Range blends meticulous design and incredible performance. In fact, this speaker collection includes large, floor-standing speakers from a collaboration between Bugatti and TIDAL Audio. Choose between your favorite materials, finishes, and details for a unique product made just for you, in line with the Bugatti Hyper Sports Car. Initially, the speaker range consists of two limited editions, Edition Blanc and Edition Noir. Made with a carbon chassis, just like the vehicle, it has a single 3D-shaped shell for stability and incredible response. QBUC Car Air Freshener Solar Energy. QBUC Car Fragrance Diffuser made of zinc alloy with solar fan blade, robust and easy to install. Package includes one solar aromatherapy diffuser for car, one aromatherapy ring. Car decorations come with a cologne aroma ring that provides air quality and bringing fragrance feel like in nature. Give you a good mood every day. The fragrance of the scent ring is even and lasting, bringing you a comfortable driving experience. ROLI LUMI Portable Beginner's Keyboard. The ROLI LUMI Keys Portable Beginner's Keyboard is great for novice musicians searching for an effective, non-intimidating way to learn to play the piano. Start off the learning process by listening to your favorite songs from the LUMI library. Each key will light up with the exact note guiding you to play correctly. In fact, it has a fun, colorful design. In addition, this portable beginner's keyboard features 100 in-app lessons. Or you can purchase LUMI Complete for access to more lessons and music. Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K Folding Drone. Capture images and videos with the Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K Folding Drone without it bumping into obstacles. This gadget can record up to 1 billion colors, retaining rich detail in shadows and highlights. It can also capture moments in low light conditions with 2D and 3D noise reduction to smooth motion blur and reduce noise. Most significantly, the Autel Evo 2 Pro supports video resolution of up to 6K to reduce the time you spend on post-production. It also comes with Dynamic Track 2.0 to locate up to 64 objects at a time. It can predict an object's location accurately and keep up with its speed, which is great for professional use.